Hey, it's Bill Mascas again, MarineMax Stuart. I want to show you this awesome Boston Whaler 360 Outrage. It's an Abaco blue color. You can see how it changes, and if you see it in the water, all the reflections on this color make amazing changes on the blue hull. Let's go upstairs, or up on board I should say, and I'll show you the rest. All right, we are back at the Transom. This boat has the transom seat with a table and twin seats, opposing seats from up front. Huge live well right over here. You have your aft beach ladder. Triple 400s on this boat. You can get it with twin 600s as well. These are the two power options. The boat has the 12-volt downrigger plug either side. And then you have your shore power connections, fresh and raw water hose connections, fish box and live well pump switches are right over there. The seat, as I said, is pull out. The backs on this seat pull out as so and make a nice handling area. You also have the optional tower. It's not on this boat, but I'm just showing you the access if you did have it or you have the need to go up on top. Huge dive door again, classic Boston Whaler style, with the beach ladder, the dive ladder I would call it, stored right underneath the seat, and then it goes over the stainless steel fittings you see right over there. Nice handle over to the side to help you come on board. This boat is also equipped with a full enclosure for weather protection, and since it has AC, it may be a good feature for some of our customers. The helm is smack in the middle, which I love. You can see your center line right in front of you. Nice ventilation through the electrically actuated vent up on top. Cup holders over this side, and you have your trim tabs, AC vents right over here, binnacles and joystick, VHF wireless or wired, whichever you prefer. Huge, I think these are at least 16 if not 20 inch, these are 20 inch screens that you see over here. All your basic switching and a quick volume button for the stereo. Nice glove compartment with USB chargers right over there. Additional USB chargers and storage right up on top. Coming down the center console, it's a very convertible area. So this can fold out and expand this section so you can have more space for storage and use of the bathroom, shower, additional cabinet space. Down here you do have the main panel for your 110 or 120 volt apparatuses. You have AC in here, AC controller. Nice truss receptacle right over here, goes underneath. And then you have plenty of rod holders over here to hold your rods up, and right over here to hold them sideways, and you can see the tip holders down there. This is a sleeping area for two people. I mean, I'm not the smallest guy, but I was able to fit in here. It's plenty long. It's 6.5 feet at least. It's a decent area if you want a center console with sleeping capability. Coming over to the bow, you have storage for fenders and lines both sides. Over here, nice, relaxing, 2-pension minimum lounger. And then you have two convertible loungers over here to the side with storage underneath those two loungers. Another macerated fish box right underneath. Storage underneath this lounger. A little bit compromised because of the cabin area expanding towards this section. Over here you have a dual function platform can be your table that mounts right over there, or it can be your filler cushion platform. You can see I have the filler cushion that fits right over the table to make a nice sun pad right over here. Your windlass right up front. The forward fish box or storage pump is controlled right over there. And then if you can see the two clips up on top, we have two rod holders in the front, and you can put a sunshade, manually expandable sunshade right on the front. You have electrical sunshade towards the back. All right, this concludes our short presentation of this 360 Outrage by Boston Whaler. I'm Bill Mascus. We are in MarineMax in Stuart, and I would love to answer any of your questions at 203-808-5088. Thank you very much for watching.